Okay, everybody, we're back. I am looking at rolling 2 dice. We just created this humongous sample space and got 36 outcomes. Now, if we were in class, I would give you this nice little gift of my dice. Notice that these 2 dice, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. This is available online. You can Google it and it'll come up all the sample space for this. That's where I got this. Or even if you go to Blackboard, it'll say dice and you can click on it and it'll give this to you. So that is our sample space on a sheet of paper. Now let's look at B. We did A, the sum of 7. Let's do sum of 11. So if I were to do sum of 11 here, I'm going to look at the sum of 11. This only goes to 7, but find your 11s. The 11s are here and here, these two. A 6 and a 5 and a 5 and a 6. And I'm going to go ahead and do it right here. 6 and a 5 and a 5 and a 6. And all of your sums, look at this. This gives you 12. These two give you 11. If I look at 6, 4, 5, 5, 6, 4, that'll give you 10. The 9s and 8s and 7s and so on. If you go this direction, 1 plus 1 is 2. These are your 3s, 2, 1, and 1, 2. So the diagonals will give you the same sum. So we're looking at, I've forgotten, B, 3b, sum of 11 will be 2 out of 36, which is 1 out of 18. All right. Let's look at C while we're at it. C. A sum less than 5. A sum less than 5. So what's the probability of these 2 dice being a sum less than 5? There's a sum less than 5 right there. So we want to know what the probability is. And as I've said before, this is all kind of based on gambling, probabilities, betting money, but there's also probability used in medicine quite a bit too. The probability that a test will work or a drug will work on a patient, that involves a lot of statistics. All right, I forgot what my question was. We're supposed to do sum of, this is C, less than 5. All right, so let's see what our less than 5s are. First, you have to find your 5s. So my 5s are, let's see, I've got a 1, 4, a 2, 3, a 3, 2, and a 4, 1. So across this diagonal are my 5s. And a sum less would be to the left of this, because you can see that these are your sums of 5, and then to the right will be greater. And it says less than, not equal to. So I'm going to count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 36. And reduce that for Math Excel. For me, you can leave it as 636, I don't care. But Math Excel will insist that you simplify that. All right, I'll be back with the rest.